How to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from The Solution Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then change your Facebook profile picture without losing likes. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Facebook app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store. In a search box, tapping in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Facebook application, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, obviously you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now first of all, just tap on your profile icon to come to your profile page. You can see this is currently my profile picture, and if I just go ahead and then open up my profile picture over here, you can see a number of likes as well. But let's say that I want to change my profile picture and I do not want the likes to disappear. In order to change a profile picture and not lose the likes, you have to upload a photo which you've already uploaded as a profile picture or a photo in the past. For example, if I just go ahead and show you my photo section over here, and if I go to uploads over here, you have to upload a photo which you've already uploaded in the past, and that way you will not lose any of your likes. For example, if I just go ahead and show you a random photo from this list, so you can see profile pictures over here, and you can just see one of these profile pictures actually has over 95 likes. So if I want to upload this as my profile picture without losing likes, it's very simple. So as I said, the trick over here is to actually upload a profile picture which you've already uploaded in the past. Obviously that's common sense, because if you upload a new picture from a gallery, that picture is not going to have any likes until and unless you don't post it. So tap on your profile picture at the very top of the screen, go to the option called select profile picture, and here you can see this is some of my gallery photos, which means if I select a photo from a gallery, I'm not going to have any likes in that because this is basically a new photo. So what we will do is we will go to the option called photos of you or suggested photos or uploads, and check any of the photos which you've uploaded in the past. I'll just select this one as example, and as you can see, I'll just select the existing one which I uploaded in the past right over here. I'll tap on done. I do not want to share this update to newsfeed, so I'll just uncheck this and I'll tap on the save button, which is at the top right. As and when I do that, I have already updated my profile picture. Now you can see if I go ahead and select it, see my profile picture, you can see those likes and you can see those comments. So as I said, the trick over here is to upload a photo you've already uploaded in the past from your Facebook's gallery and not the one from your phone's gallery. Hopefully this video helped answer your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.